Some dessert munching in the car. Woohoo, look at
That's
you.
what real fat fucks do.
I don't condone such behavior. And neither am I a fat fuck. It's just camera weight. What you're seeing is camera weight. It adds 10.
All right.
Oh, okay, we gotta do a taste test.
Which one we're gonna go for?
This one I told
this
you,
one?
yeah, I had this before. Just try it, bruv, and get ready for it to change your life.
Ooh.
Bruv, I'm telling you.
Man.
I know how it tastes, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna see whether it.
Nice with the taste, the sugar, the nuts.
You know, they don't add sugar. They said different. It's not that sugar. In baklava, that's why baklava is good for you.
Not good for you, man.
It's better than sweets.
No, but still, it's still sugar, bro. What do you think? It's sugar, bro.
But it's better. It's not like. It's better than ice cream. You know what I'm saying? That kind of sugar.
I don't know, man. It tastes very sweet to me.
Oh, and the pistachio, it just complements everything so well. Focus, motherfuckers, so you can see. Oh man, I wish it focus. Jimbo's face is here, so he can't focus. You know how it is. You've had baklava before.
That one.
Which one was that?
The first one. This one, alright.
This one.
No, but the first one we had was like.
Was good? What's this?
Pistachio.
Now your favorite. He loves coconut. Jimbo, Manushi sweets.
No, you see sweet right here.
Can you see? Let me see. Focus, motherfucker. Manushi. There it is. Limassol Manushi sweets.
Down now. 99911.
This holding the camera business is hard as well, man. Listen, Manushi would have got 10 points. There's a little accident that happened. Got exposed a bit. Otherwise, if that didn't happen to my shirt, you know what I'm talking about? A small little accident. Wow, how did you chow down all that so quick? After the second one. Why are you looking at that like that? You wanna? No!
On camera.
Oh man. We're like sitting in a car. Look how people park in Cyprus. This is Limassol city, by the way. In some alleyway. Alright, Jimbo. Let's see what we got.
Alright, Manushi. Manushi sweet. It's nice, the coconut.
Put it here. So I can. Oh.
Kind of like an exotic taste.
Mmm.
Feel like, you know.
Wow.
Close your eyes, feel like you're in Thailand.
Huh?
The coconut vibe.
Bro, I gotta stick with what my choice was. What I told you that was the best, right?
The first one. Actually, I like this one. The coconut one.
Of course, because you love coconut addict.
I don't know about the addict part.
Where we go? Home or?
Nah, what you mean home? We gotta be out. We gotta be out. We're gonna, you know what? Go check out Agora.
What is Agora?
Agora. Spot.
Alright, guys. Sorry, don't mind me chewing like that. I'll catch you on the next one.